In this video, we are going to discuss how to install Python 3.9. Write the Python in the Google and then press enter. This will open this page. Click this link and it will open the python.org web page. This is download link and press this Python 3.9. It will start downloading the software. Once it is installed, click this. It will open this window. Now click this link as well. Add Python 3.9 to path. Press install. Yes. Now press this start button. Here it is IDLE Python 3.9 64-bit. Bring this in this position and then click this. This will open Python 3.90 shell. Now can you write your Python code in this Python 3.9 shell.